Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning out my fridge. It is a mess in there. I hardly touched it, didn't clean it, didn't organize it during my first trimester because I was just way too sick, and I could hardly do anything. I was like a zombie mom and wife. So my fridge is really bad, and I will show you so that you can see before, and you can just join me as I clean out my fridge, and hopefully it will motivate you to clean your own fridge if it needs to be cleaned, or if you like to see before and afters, then this should be a good one. So let's take a look at what it looks like now. So as you can see, it's pretty bad. Like a cup of chocolate milk spilled back there, and so there's like, if I can get back there, there's like chocolate milk all in there, and I'm pretty sure it leaked all the way down in the fridge, so it's pretty bad. So I'm just gonna start by cleaning everything out, taking it all out, and cleaning off all of the shelves and little storage food bins. So here we go. So getting started here, I'm just starting with the top shelf, cleaning everything off, putting it on the counter, and in just a moment I'll be taking out a couple of really nasty bananas. They are mushy and brown, and I couldn't even touch them with my bare hands. And as I was going through my fridge, I had a lot of produce that I had to check because a lot of it was old. I had good intentions of using it, but in my tired first trimester state, I just didn't use a lot of the produce that was in there. So some of it was good and I kept it, but some of it needed to be tossed. And I just love when I find these half-eaten apples in the fridge that my kids get a hold of. Now I am just clearing out the door, all of the condiments, and putting them onto the counter. And let me know if you guys want to see a video of the food staples that we like to keep in our fridge. do these dishes set me back so much, and it took a lot longer to clean out my fridge than I had planned. So we are starting with the top shelf of the fridge, and this is the shelf where the cup of chocolate milk spilled everywhere, and so there is dry, crusted chocolate milk all over this shelf, and so it took quite a while to clean it. Fridge shelves and drawers, I used warm water and the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the lemon verbena scent, and it is my absolute favorite. It smells so good. At this point, my 4-year-old came up to me. He was doing some tablet time while I cleaned out the fridge, and he was asking me for help or something. So he made a little appearance there. Now I'm getting into the fridge and cleaning up all of the gunk and the spilled chocolate milk that leaked to the bottom of the fridge. how everything looks.
Mommy, this broke. Uh-oh.
Now that I have cleaned out the fridge, everything is wiped down. It's nice and clean. Hey, no, don't touch that, baby. Hey, Cam, don't touch that, please. Hey, no thank you. I'll fix that, okay?
Blueberries.
So, yes, it looks much better, and the kids are excited to dig in and eat all the blueberries.